Hi guys, good evening everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Anyone there? Good evening guys. Okay. So what we studied in the last session guys? Do you remember what we studied in the last session? Good evening Nitish Kumar Jha. Yes, very good. Thank you Akshay. Sorry. We learned about use reducer, use ref, and custom customs what you call hooks, how to create that, correct? So we were on the process of that. Okay, we were on the process of that, we were creating that. So guys, do you have any questions regarding this code, whatever we are writing? Do you have any doubt? Okay. So today's session will be a little small because so many people has so many doubt over there in the LMS, and because we cannot connect them in the mornings part, fine. Because they have their college timing and all, so we will connect them after 8 o'clock. Those who have doubt, please feel free to connect that. Fine, we will. Okay, please feel free to connect, or please feel free to post it so that we can take up your problems and solve it immediately so that you can start building the project. Okay, fine. So please, those who wants to solve their issues, please by after 8 try to post it. Okay, fine. Before 8, what we'll do, before 8 we'll just complete this whole this reducer, sorry, this custom hook will try to complete it. Fine, this custom hook will try to complete it. Okay, so yesterday we have written two functions. One function was what, play song at index. Fine, play song at index, where we are calling this dispatch function over here, where we are changing the current track, current time. We are like, whenever you change a track, the time should start with the zeroth, the starting value, correct? Audio, then I told you why use ref we are using, because of the audio reference we want, audio functionalities we want. Okay, so all those things functionality we have written over here. Now handle toggle over here, we have done that also. When you are you want to you click on the button of play and you click on the button play, what should happen? When you click on the button of pause, what should happen? So the handling, toggling of play and pause button. Fine. Next up, what we are going to write is for the next song. Handle the next song. Fine. So how to do that? Okay. Next song. How to do that? So const handle next. Fine. Const handle next is equal to, if there is no songs dot length, no songs dot length, then return. Fine. If audio audio state, fine, audio state, okay, dot current index, fine, dot current index. Now where this audio state is coming, guys? So the audio state actually, okay, we have not written now. Okay, audio state, sorry, this is the audio state. Okay, so audio state dot current index, fine. If it is triple equal to null value, if it is triple equal to null value, again sanitization we are doing, then play the song, play a song at index 0th value. Fine, 0th value, and then return it. Fine, then return it. Okay. Now if there, now there are some options over here, you know, some things. When should play the, see, suppose, tell me guys one thing. Okay, if I am clicking on the next button, okay, clicking on the next button, if I am the shuffle mode, if I am in the shuffle mode, is it necessary that it will go to my next song? Suppose, for example, over here, let's come to our project. This is the deployed project, correct? Over here, if I'm playing this song, like suppose I have selected song number 1. Okay, I've selected song number 1 and it is starting, it is playing. As you can see over here, it is played. Now, if I have loop on, and if I click on next, where it should go, which song number it should go, tell me, which song number it should go? Tell me guys, if I click on the next button and the loop is on, where it should go? Which song it should go? Okay, fine. So it will go to the next song, that is second song. If I click on the next song, see, it is going to the second song. If I still click on the next song, it is going to the third song. Okay. Now, what if I make the shuffle on? Now, when the shuffle is on, the repeat is off. Fine. When the shuffle is on, the repeat is off. That is one more functionality that we have to add. Now, if I click on the next, is it necessary that it will go to the fourth song? No. Now you see it went to the sixth song. So two if statement were added. Now we have to add in the play next. When there is a shuffle mode, then it does not depend on what is the next song. It will randomly jump. Fine. Third, second, what you call condition is that if the song is in repeat mode, it should go to its next song. It should go to the index number value plus plus. Index value should be added +1. Fine. So that is the two things, two conditions, which we will do it. Okay. Fine. So if shuffle, okay, if shuffle is enabled, if shuffle is enabled, fine. So if there is audio state, fine, audio state dot shuffle enabled, fine, shuffle enabled, sorry, shuffle enabled, and we have songs dot length greater than 1, fine, greater than 1. Okay, so 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 what we will do, if we have to randomly select any values, fine. Do you know how to randomly select a value in JavaScript? Okay, let me walk you through this. Random numbers in JavaScript, we have to create random numbers. Those random numbers we will put as an index values. How to create the random numbers? See over here. In order to create a random number, we have to take the help of math.random. This is the function which will help us to create a random number. If you see, I will write return a random math.floor. Floor means it will go up to the nearest round of value. See, if I write, okay, I'll show you over here. JS compiler. Okay, online JS compiler I have opened. Fine, I'll show you over here. What do I mean? See, if I write console.log, okay, math dot, if I write console.log math dot random, fine, okay, math dot random, and run this. You know what is the output we are getting? Every time you will get an output between 0 to 1 only. Fine, 0 to 1 only you will get the output. Now, if you want the output from 0 to 9, then what you have to do, you have to multiply with 10. Now see here, if I now multiplied this value with 10, run this, you'll get every time you will get a value between 0 to 9. Between 0 to 9. Fine. Now you see you are getting in the decimal format. I don't want in the decimal format. So what I should do, I should cut this over here. I should write math.floor. Fine. And then I should write control V. Okay, fine. And now if I run this, you see 4, sometimes it will get 6, 5, 5, 2. See, random values we are getting. Random values we are getting. Okay. Now if I write over here, let array is equal to, suppose 1 comma 2 comma, not, let's not take 1 comma, 35 comma 45 comma 85 comma 65 comma 52. Fine. And if I write, instead of 10, if I write array dot length, okay, so can it print me the random index values? See, 3, 1, random index values it is printing, correct? Fine. So what do I'll do? I'll write it inside a separate let index index value is equal to control V, correct? And what I will do, I will write ARR and then the index value. Correct? Now run this. 52 it is printing. Now it will print what? 60, 85. Fine. Now it will print what? See, 65. Randomly, if you see, it is printing. Now in our case, instead of this array, we have what? Song. Yes, we have songs. And songs, how many songs you have at a time? 15 songs you have at a time. So in 15 songs, any song we can choose, any song it can choose randomly, and it can play that song. Correct. So we are going to use that random method only. Fine. So let random index, fine, random index is equal to audio state, fine, audio state dot current index value. Random index value means audio state dot current index value. Okay. While again sanitization we are doing means checking everything. So while random index, fine, is triple equal to audio state dot current index, fine, current index. By that time what you do, random index value is equal to, you write math.floor, fine, math.random math.random multiplied with songs.length, songs length. Okay. After this, what you should do, play song at index and then pass the random index value. Fine. And after that, you return it. So this is the this is how, if it is in the shuffle mode, we have to go click on the next button, and which song it will play, it totally depend on the random numbers. Okay. Now if without shuffle, fine, without shuffle, next without shuffle. So what we have to do here, it is pretty simple, index plus one, that's all, index plus plus. Okay. So const next index, my next index is equal to audio state, fine, dot current index, fine, dot current index plus one, fine. And over here, percentage, you'll write songs dot length, so that it should not cross, fine, it should not cross the length of the song. Suppose you come to the 15th song, you came to the 15th number of song, means 14th in the array value, correct? Now if you click on next, where it should go, where it should go. So see over here, see the calculation ones, fine. Okay, let me get a pen tab. Just 1 second, guys. I'll show you one calculation over here. Here, you will actually not need to use an if else statement. Fine. And this type of thing, we can use it anywhere in the coding you can use, where you are using if else statement just to increment or decrement something. Okay. I'll show you something. See, now we have how many data, songs dot length, songs dot length is equal to 15. It means in the songs, fine, in the songs array, how many data we have? We have 0 to 14 data, correct? Yes or no, guys? Index values, how many? 0 to 14 index value. Okay. Now, if you are on the 14th index value, and if you click on next, if you click on next, what should happen? Index value will increase to what? 15. Is 15 there inside our array? No. No. Then your system will crash. Your website will crash. So here you see, if the audio state dot current, fine. Suppose let's take 14. 14 plus 1, fine. 14 plus 1, modulus of 15. 14 plus 1, 15 modulus of 15. What is the output, guys? Quickly you tell. 15 modulus of 15. What is the output? If you cannot answer this also, then there is a major issue. What is 15 modulus 15? 0. Correct. 0. Fine. So 15 modulus 15, it will give you what? 0. 0. Now the index value will become what? Next index value will become what? 0. So it will start with the first song now. Okay. If you write 14 modulus of 15, what is the output? See, I'll tell you in the how they are going to teach me in the second standard. No, like that only I'm going to teach you. See, if you write 14, 15, how you are going to divide 15 into 0 like this? 14 is the remainder. So here 14 modulus of 15, what you will get? 14. 13 modulus of 15, what you will get? 13. 12 modulus of 12 15, what you will get? 12. Like this, here up to here it went. Once it is coming 15 modulus of 15, it is going to where? 0. Okay. This without mathematics, you can understand like this. Fine. You can write a statement over here. If current song is greater than or equal to songs dot length, fine, then what you do, then make current song index value, fine, it is an index value actually, okay, index value 0. Instead of writing this, we wrote modulus of songs dot length. Understood? Fine, we have decreased your codes. Okay, then I'll write play song at index value, that to random index. I'm sorry, not random index, next index. Next index. Okay, guys, understood or not? Fine. Now, can you tell me how to write for the previous song? Handle next we have done. Now handle previous, correct? So const handle previous. Fine, handle previous is equal to, okay, like this. If there is no songs dot length, means there is no song, then return. Quietly you return. Okay. If if audio state, fine, audio state dot current index, fine, audio state dot current index, or um, fine, triple equal to null, nothing is there. Fine. Then play what you call it? Play song at index 0th value. Okay. And then return it. Okay, then return it. Fine. Const previous index is equal to audio state dot current index. Fine. -1 plus songs dot length. Fine. Dot length. And again percentage songs dot length. Okay. Okay. Now play song at index value previous index. Now see here, again this is again a very good what you call mathematics to avoid conditions over here. As you can see here. Now suppose that you have like you are on the first song and you click on the previous button, correct? You are where the current song index is what? 0. 0 -1 plus songs length, songs dot length. So what is the songs dot length? That is 15. Fine. So 0 -1 plus 15 modulus of 15. What is the output, guys? 14 modulus of 15. What is the output? You will get to the last song. Fine. Suppose now you are on the first song. So what you'll write? First -1, 1 -1 plus 15 modulus of 15. So you'll go to the 0th index value song. Similarly, second song you are and click on the previous button. So 2 -1 plus 15. Fine. Percentage of 15. What it is? 2 -1, 1. 1 plus 15, 16. 16 modulus of 15. 16 modulus 15, guys, how much? 1. Correct? So you'll go to the first value. First index number. Fine. You avoided what conditions? Just writing a mathematics so what you call so good that you avoided the conditions. Audio event handler, guys. Means we have to update the time. Fine. So const handle time update Fine. Handle time update is equal to like this, const audio is equal to audio ref dot current. Fine, dot current. If there is no audio, fine, if there is no audio, return. Okay, otherwise dispatch. Fine, dispatch what? Type set underscore current, fine, underscore time. Okay, payload audio, fine, audio dot current time or 0. That you need to send as a payload every time, every time. Okay, next is handling the metadata. Now what is metadata? So in the audio, like audio, when it is loading, with that audio many things are loading, like who is the singer, fine, what type of file it is it mp3 file, it is dmv file, whatever the file it is, fine, what is the duration of that particular audio, these kind of information all also loaded. These informations are called metadatas. Fine, these informations are called what? Metadatas. So this, since audio in is not enough to to play the song, audio is not enough to play the song, we need to handle metadata also. So for that we are going to write one more functionality. Okay, although many functionalities is there, that is in that one of them it is, fine. So const handle loaded metadata, fine, const audio, fine, is equal to audio ref dot current, again given the access of audio. If there is no audio sanitization, then return it, fine, then return it. Okay, set duration audio dot duration, fine, or 0, fine, audio dot playback rate, fine, playback rate is equal to, I'll write audio state, fine, audio state dot playback speed, whatever the playback speed it is there that you updated, fine, audio dot volume, fine, is equal to audio state dot volume. Fine. Then audio dot muted, fine, is equal to audio state dot muted. Fine. And then dispatch type, what type? Play type. Okay. Next guys, just 1 second. Fine. Next, what? Handle ended. Like if suppose the song is ended by itself, like song ended by itself, then what should happen? Then again, two cases will arrive. When the shuffle mode is on, when the shuffle mode is off. When the loop is on, when the loop is off. Correct? Let's write. So const handle ended. Fine. Is equal to, I'll write like this. Fine. Const audio, fine, const audio is equal to audio ref, fine, dot current. Okay, audio ref dot current. If there is a no audio, if there is no audio, return. Nothing we can do over here. Okay. If audio state, fine, if audio state dot loop enabled, fine, when the loop is enabled, then what we have to do? Audio sorry, not audio reducer, audio dot current time, fine, audio dot current time is equal to, make it what? 0. Okay, current time, make it 0. Audio dot, okay, audio dot play, huh, we can write play, yeah, audio dot play dot then method. Okay, dot catch method. Correct. So dot then method we can call over here, and we can write what we have to dispatch. Okay, so we have to dispatch over here. Dispatch a type of play. Okay, dispatch a type of what? Play. Fine. Over here we have to write like and one more thing we have to dispatch. Fine. Dispatch the type set current play time, sorry, set current time, okay, comma payload comma 0. Sorry, not comma over here, colon 0. Okay, catch block over here you can write an event, and sorry, error, not event, console.error. Fine, console.error, and replay error, comma the error you can show. Okay, this is what we have written. Else handle next, that function we are going to call handle next. Okay, now we have one more functionality, guys, like not added, it was previously this mute one. Mute option is there. Fine, mute option is there. This also we need to write a functionality for this. So handle or toggle mute. Fine. Okay, fine. I understand. I think why it is doing that. Handle toggle mute. Fine. Okay. Const audio. Fine. Const audio is equal to audio ref. Fine. Audio ref dot current. Okay. Dot current. Fine. If there is again no audio, then make it what? Return. Return. If audio state dot is muted, fine, audio state is muted, then const restore volume is equal to previous volume ref dot current, or make it one. Audio dot muted, fine, will be what? False. Audio dot volume will be restore volume. Correct? Fine. Then we have to dispatch type unmute, dispatch dispatch type set volume, fine, comma payload restore volume. Okay, else previous volume ref dot current, fine, is equal to uh, audio state dot volume or 1, fine. Audio muted is equal to, make it true, fine. Audio volume make it 0, fine. Then dispatch over here, dispatch type, fine, mute. Okay, dispatch type mute, dispatch over here, and the type, okay, will be what, set underscore volume, fine, comma payload fine, colon 0. Next is what? Next is const handle toggle, fine, handle toggle loop. For this, very easy it is, fine, very easy it is. Just dispatch what you have to dispatch, type toggle loop, fine, dispatch toggle loop. Now see over here in the toggle loop what we have written, key whenever the state is loop enabled, whatever the value it came, if it is true make it false, if it is false make it true. That's what we have written, no? That's what we have written. So that's all, fine, that's all. Handle toggle mute. Okay, similarly const handle change speed, or toggle handle toggle shuffle. For first of all we'll write toggle shuffle is equal to like this, fine. Not Spotify, Shubham, we are building not Spotify. Just a music player application where I am giving you the overview of front end and back end development. For the back end development, in the back end development, we have also done that. In that authentication, we have done some basic authentication and everything is done. Front end, I have given you the Redux toolkit, how to write the front end and use reducer, use state, use effect, all those hooks. Fine, we have covered over here, fine. So not a Spotify clone, or I would say, because it will be more complex, but whatever it is easy and whatever the more use cases you can see, that would be nice. Okay, so that's what we are building. So dispatch, fine, over here we have to write the type toggle underscore shuffle. Okay, next up is to handle change. Const handle change speed. Fine, is equal to whatever the new speed you are sending. Fine, new speed it will come now with the user selection. New speed will come. So const audio is equal to audio ref dot current. Fine. Okay. Dispatch over here. Then type set underscore playback underscore speed. Okay. Comma payload new speed. Okay. And if there is an audio, actually we should do it previously. Okay, fine. Then audio dot playback speed. Or playback rate it is. I'm sorry. Playback rate is equal to new speed. That's all. I think internship is in the ending session. Muhaswa. Okay, fine. So you can join the next internship. This is in the ending phase. Yes, Nitesh. Yes, Nitesh. Yeah. Sir, where we can find the repository on the GitHub? We have not pushed any repositories in the GitHub for this anything. You have to watch the session and you have to write your code. We don't have anywhere this project. Otherwise, what is the point of teaching? No. You will receive a completion certificate once you will submit me this project. Once you will submit me this project, I will give you the certification. And no repositories. You have to either watch the session to get the repositories, otherwise no options. Otherwise, the people who are coming, that will also not come, because they will eventually find the repositories and copy paste. Then where you code it? At least here I am dictating, you should write it now. When you will write it, you will understand, okay, why this code has been written. Fine, at least that thing will be getting cleared. That's why we are not giving you any repositories. The last day I will tell you once I let me complete this project, then I will tell you when is the last day to submit this project. Let me complete this project. I'll tell you after that when it will be the last day to submit it. Last one, last functionality. Almost you can see we have touched 200 lines of code. Fine. Last functionality over here, you can see const handle. Fine, handle change volume. Fine, handle change volume is equal to what? New volume. Fine, whatever the new volume you are giving me, whatever the new volume, like between 1 to 0 to 1, that I will update it. Fine. So again, this line of code you copy, because again it is getting copied quite a number of times, and you can copy this one also. Then if new volume is greater than 0, only then previous volume ref dot current value should be equal to what? New volume. Okay, should be equal to what? New volume. After that only we'll dispatch. Fine. Type what? Set underscore volume. Fine. Comma payload. Payload will be what? New volume. Fine. If there is no audio, fine, return. That actually we have written. Okay, fine. Here we will remove it. Yeah, no need. Okay. Audio dot volume is equal to new volume. Fine. If new volume, fine, if new volume is triple equal to 0, it means what? Muted. Correct. So audio dot muted will be become what? True. Fine. So here, once it is becoming true, we will dispatch type mute. Fine. Else if audio, fine, else if audio dot state is muted, fine, then audio dot muted will be what? False. Okay, and dispatch over here, what we have to do? Type unmute, and this actually completes your functionalities. Now we have to return this. We have to return these functionalities and those everything what we have written actually. Then only this is going to create a hook. Yes, that's why only it is going to create a hook when we will return these functionalities. The hooks are coming with the functionalities, correct? So here also we need to return these functionalities. Now you can see we'll create a big object. Fine. Over here, first of all, audio ref we are giving. So audio ref, okay, comma. Then we are giving current songs some values. Current song state. So current index, fine, which should be audio state dot current index. Fine. Okay. Current song audio state dot current song. Okay. Is playing audio state dot is playing. Fine. Current time audio state dot current time. Fine. Is loading audio state dot is loading. Duration, correct? Features, that is for toggle, the toggling features. Okay, toggling features. Okay, so like is muted audio state, fine, audio state dot is muted. Fine. Loop enabled audio state dot loop enabled. Fine. shuffle enabled, audio state dot shuffle enabled. Fine. Playback speed, audio state dot playback speed. Then volume, audio state dot volume. Playback control functions. Play song at index, handle toggle play. Fine. Handle next, handle previous. Okay. Audio event handlers. Fine. Handle time update, handled loaded metadata. Fine. Handled end. Next up, feature control. Feature control functions. Handle toggle mute. Fine. Handle toggle loop. Fine. Handle toggle shuffle. Fine. Handle change speed. All the functionalities what we have written, we are just trying to return those things. Handle seek. Okay, have we written handle seek, guys? I don't think so. Okay, let me write that. Fine. Handle change volume. Fine. And at the end, export default use audio player. Fine. Okay, one more thing is written, forget, that is handle seek. Handle seek means if you move this over here, that we are skipping that values, so it should start from here. The song should start from here. It means we have to update that time. Okay, we have to update its current time with the new time. Fine. So that functionality we have to write. So it is called handle seek. Okay, handle seek. That functionality we have to write. We have not written. So before handle change volume, no, here you write const seek. Fine, is equal to the new time it will come. With the new time it will come. Okay. Okay. New time. Fine. And then we have to dispatch. Fine. We have to dispatch what? Type set underscore current underscore time. Okay. Comma payload. Payload is the new time. Fine. So that's what we have written about the handle seek. Almost, if you can see, 300 lines of code we have written. Fine, guys. So that's all for today. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt, fine. I told you again from the starting of the class that please write it on the LMS. Fine. and solve your doubts, because so many people are in the colleges, they are not able to solve their doubts when we are like free and all. So please, those who have doubt, please write it in the LMS and get it verified, clear. Okay. So thank you guys for joining fine today, and thank you guys for joining today, and hope you have a great night. So thank you everyone, and if you have doubt, please feel free to ask. Nitish, yeah, after the completion of this project, what I am teaching, I will tell you the date where you have to submit the whole project in the LMS. You have to zip the code and send it. In the LMS. We have not opened it, we will open it. Okay, guys, then you can leave, guys. Thank you, everyone.